All right, are we back? Good evening, good evening, good evening, Papa. Good evening, Shivani. Good evening, Zanab. Good evening, Sai Krishna. Good evening, Madhuri. Good evening, Rachel. Doing good, Shoaib? How are you doing? All right, this is where we were. Got it as 95 seconds. Now, let us talk about the average speed. Average speed for an entire journey is 2xy by x plus y. All right, x and y are speeds one way and the other. Okay, complete return journey, it says. So let us say there are 2 points A and B. A to B. Let us say a person he drives at 70 kilometer per hour, and while coming back he drives at 80 kilometer per hour. नहीं यार, मजा नहीं आया. Figures I must change. Oh, okay. 70 and 90 ले लूँ क्या या 100 लूँ? 100 ले लेता हूँ चलो. Good evening, Payal. Hi, Vinod. Hi, Ravinder. Hi, Prithvi. Hi, Naresh. Good evening, Hemlata. My name is Kapil Datta. KAPILDATTA. Kapil Datta. Good evening, Rajesh. Good evening, Aniket. So let us say, start करें. Good evening, Ananya. Hi, Suresh. Let us start. So if a person drives from A to B at a speed of 70 kilometers per hour and while coming back through the same route drives at 100 kilometers per hour, what will be his average speed for the entire journey? Distances are same route, same distances. Same distance. Tell me, what will be the average speed? Correct, Prithvi. Likewise. क्या कर रहे हो आकाश बंशु? 140. Panela. He's going at 70, coming back at 100. His average speed is 140, more than 70 and 100. Some typing error, I believe. क्यों रविंदर क्या कर रहे हो? दीक्षित देख लो जरा, ठीक ठीक लगा लो। अरे अंकिता 20 लेसर देन 70, 30 उसना, ऐसे कैसे भाई? And that too when the formula is written in front of you here, then also you are not able to use it. Payal, you're taking average of 170. Suresh, it will be 70 only when he's coming back at 100. साफ साफ लिखा है ना ये 2xy by x plus y. You're not looking here, conveniently you are ignoring it and you're taking just average of 70 and 100. Average speed is not average of two numbers. All right, average speed you have to take as 2xy by x plus y. It is written here also, it is written here also. Still you are doing your own method without looking. So it is 2 into 70 into 100 by 70 plus 100. Okay, so it is 140 into 100 by 170. Cancel. So it is 1400 by 17. Okay. So if you know the table of 17, job done. Okay. So 17 eights are, it goes 7 eights are 56, 8 ones are 8. Right? So when you divide this, so 1400 by 17 goes by 136. You have a 40. Correct? 2s are 34. So 6. Correct? So here the average speed should be, let us say, 82 6 by 17. This should be the average speed. 82.3 you can say. 82 point something. That is all right. It will be in between only, no? Between 70 and 100. How can it be less than 70? How can it be more than 100? All right, solve this now. I'm writing once again, I'm writing the formula. Follow the formula. Only thing required is substitution. Please substitute in this formula and then tell me what is your answer. Marco Polo. अरे cannot pull. Why cannot pull? ऐसी तैसी. हाँ. Mark in the pole, please. Perfect. Now you got it. Simple substitution. %90 still. Anyhow, if a bus travels at 60 km per hour from Delhi to Agra and comes back through the same route at a speed of 40 km per hour. Okay, so two speeds are given to you. So employing this formula, 2 into 60 into 40 by 60 plus 40. That is 2 into 60 into 40. Keep the numerator as it is so that you can do the cancellations here. So 2 6 are 12, 12 4s are 48. Choice B should be the answer. 7. Fast. Same formula. 2xy by x plus y. Same formula. Hurry up. You got this. So 2 into 100 into 60 or 50? 50, right? But directly I'm writing 150. Okay. So this complete goes by 3. So it is 200 by 3, 66.67 kilometer per hour. Choice A. Now look at this question. Actually, this question is not based on time and distance. All right, it is more on unitary method. And unitary method, you know. Anyhow. XYZ are 3 contestants in a race of 1000 meters. All right, so there is a race. The race is for 1000 meters. Assume that all run with different uniform speeds. X gives Y a start of 40 meters. What does it mean? X gives Y a start of 40 meters means that Y could stand 40 meters ahead of X. Then also Y will not be able to defeat X. Maybe they will finish at the same time. So this is where we have X. This is where we have Y. All right. And distance between them is 40 meters. And X gives Z a start of 64 meters. Okay. So this is where we have Z. All right. Distance between X and Z is 64 meters. Could you please tell me what is the distance between Y and Z? Distance between Y and Z? Correct, Sahana. Yeah, 24. 64 minus 40. And could you tell me how much is Y running in this race? How much distance is Y running in this race? Yes, Shahid. Yes, Karan. Yes, Prithvi. Yes, Dikshit. No, Dikshit is 4 extra आ गया यार देखो जरा. Shivani 1060. Race is for 1000 meters and already Y is standing ahead of the starting mark by 40 meters. So this here Y is running 960 meters. That is 1000 minus 40 meters. So he is already starting 40 meters ahead. So he is not completing 1000 meters. No, he is completing 1000 minus 40. That is only 960 meters. Z is covering lesser than that. Anyhow, if Y and Z were to compete in a race of 1000 meters, then how many meters start will Y give to Z? See, when Y is running 960 meters, then Z is ahead of Y by 24 meters, or Y gives a start of 24 meters to Z. So if Y runs 1000 meters, then in that case, how many meters start will Y give to Z? Okay, so it will be 1000 by 960 into 24. Okay, simple unitary method we are employing. That is it. 24 4s is 96. The 0 you can cancel here. 4 you cancel here. Okay, so 25 meters. Get it? I hope this is clear to you. Lovely. So boats and streams, which is again an extension of time and distance. So once a question has appeared on boats and streams, I'll just give this to you. Let us say this is a river or a flowing stream. Obviously, it flows in this direction. Okay, this is downward direction, let us say. Okay, this, let us say, is a pond or a lake where the water is still. This is a boat. Okay, this again is the same boat. Okay, now please know that speed of boat in still water, the water that does not move is considered to be the water which is there in pond, lake, such kind of water bodies. Let this be x kilometer per hour. Okay. So this is what still water here is what? Lake or pond. Likewise. And what is this flowing water? This could be a river, a stream, or a canal, let us say. Okay. Now, if the boat is traveling in the same direction as the flow of water, okay, that means the boat is traveling downstream. Now onwards, we will represent downstream speed of the boat as d. And if boat is traveling against the current in the opposite direction of stream, then it is said to be upstream u. Okay. Now speed of the stream or flowing water is taken as y kilometer per hour. It's a game of these four things only. All right, sir. So downstream, you know, is when boat is traveling in the same direction as the direction of the stream. So downstream speed will be nothing but it will be the sum of the two streams, some of the speeds of the two bodies. One is x, that is speed of the boat, and y, that is speed of the stream. All right. And similarly, upstream speed will be difference between the speeds of the boat and the speed of the stream. So it shall be x minus y. Okay. Clear? So if you add these two, then what do you get? You get d. ठीक है. D plus u is equal to 2x. Okay. From which we will get x is equal to d plus u by 2. Okay. If I take the difference, all right, if I take the difference, x and x will cancel. If I add, then y and minus y have cancelled, and it has given me this formula. If I take the difference, then I shall get d. D minus u is equal to 2y, or we can say y is equal to d minus u by 2. Good evening, Meena. So it is a game of only these four concepts. Please know this. D is equal to x plus y, u is equal to x minus y. Okay. X is equal to d plus u by 2, y is equal to d plus d minus u by 2. That's it. So fast speed of boat in still water, x kilometer per hour. Speed of stream, y kilometer per hour. If boat travels in the direction of the flow of the stream, then the speeds of the boat and the stream get added. So boat speed in the direction of the flow of the stream is downstream speed, that is d, which is equal to x plus y. Now similarly, if boat travels in the direction opposite to the flow of the stream, against the stream, then obviously the flow of stream is acting as a resistance, right? So just let me see. Just a minute. I think I had put it on aeroplane mode. Yes, it is. Then stream speed gets subtracted from boat speed. So boat speed in the direction opposite to that of the flow of the stream shall be upstream speed u, which is given by x minus y. So done. If a boat travels at d kilometers per hour, downstream speed, and travels at u kilometer per hour, upstream, against the stream, then speed of the boat in still water, I told you, x is equal to d plus u by 2, and speed of the stream y is equal to d minus u by 2. So it's a game of only four things. See, d, अरे यार ये d का b कैसे बन गया? D is equal to x plus y, u is equal to x minus y, x is equal to d plus u by 2, y is equal to d minus u by 2. खत्म बात. Suresh, difference also I need to take here, is it? All right. D is equal to x plus y, u is equal to x minus y. Okay, take difference. So here you get d minus u. Symbol changes, no? This is minus, minus, this is plus. X cancels. So y plus y is equal to 2y. So y is equal to d minus u by 2. All right. Only these four things. Please note down in your notebook. Please note down in your notebook so that you can use these four. And I don't have to write them again and again. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Try solving this question. A boat covers 75 kilometers against a stream in 3 hours. So what shall be the upstream speed? Tell me. What is this? Upstream he's traveling, no? So this is speeds only. Downstream and upstream are speeds. Speed is distance by time. So distance is 75. Time is 3 hours. So it shall be 25 kilometers per hour. And covers 60 kilometers along the stream. Along the stream means in the same direction as the stream. So downstream. Right? In 1.5. So 60 by 1.5. 15 fours are 60, right? So this is given to you as this. So what will be the speed of the boat in still water? Speed of the boat is x, and this you know is d plus u by 2. Remember? It is there in front of you. You have noted this down. Okay? So this is Let us say 40 plus 25 by 2, 65 by 2, that is 32.5 kilometer per hour. Got this? Do this one. Once again, upstream distance and time is given to you. Downstream distance and time is given to you. Okay, find out the speed of the stream. I'm giving you a poll. Please hurry up. Rajesh, check. Ananya, check. Yes, Dikshit. Yes, Himanshu, Parimala, Sarabjit, Polukonda. Yes, very much. You should just be aware of the formulas that I have given to you. That's it. Marco Polo. Mark your answer in the poll. No, Shahid, A is not right. 49%, half of the class. Why? A man travels by a boat 36 kilometer upstream. So upstream is distance by speed. Sorry, distance by time. Distance here is 36 kilometers. Okay. And downstream, 48 kilometers. Took 6 hours each time. So 6 hours while going upstream, 6 hours while going downstream. So this is what? 6 kilometer per hour. This is what? 8 kilometer per hour. What was the speed of the stream? Speed of the stream is y. That is nothing but d minus u by 2. Okay. 8 minus 6 by 2. 2 by 2. 1 kilometer per hour. Alright, so B should be your answer. कोई बात नहीं राजेश, कोई बात नहीं. सॉरी वाली वाली क्या बात है? ये देखो क्वेश्चन. अच्छा, ये तो एक्सप्लेनेशन है. Just a minute. How many questions? Yes. All right. A boat can row at a speed of 36 kilometer per hour in still water. So what is given to us here? X is equal to 36 kilometer per hour. When the boat is rowing in a river, then to row 56 kilometers, it takes 1 hour and 45 minutes to row upstream. Now, 1 hour 45 minutes. So upstream speed is distance by time. What is the time? 1 hour 45 minutes. Now convert 1 hour 45 minutes into decimals. No? So 1 hour plus 45 minutes converted into hours. So 45 by 60. Why 60 minutes are there in 1 hour? No? So how much is this? 15 threes are and fours are. 3 by 4 is 0.75. So this should be equal to 1.75. So 56 by 1.75. Okay. Is this clear? Okay. Or 1 by 7.5. Yes, 1 by 7.5. In fact, you can write it as 7 by 4. Better. 7 by 4. So it shall be 56 into 4 by 7. See, 7 8s are. So it becomes 32 kilometer per hour. How much time will be taken by the boat to row the same distance downstream? Same distance downstream. So U is 32 kilometer per hour. Okay. So what is U? U is X minus Y. That is equal to 32. Okay. Now see what is D. D is what we need to find out. Now that is X plus Y. Okay. And D is what? D is also having the same distance. That is 56 kilometers. Okay. Now here I can find out how much is Y because the value of X is given to us. Here also I can find out. X is 36. So 36 minus Y is equal to 32. So 36 minus 32 is equal to Y is equal to 4. Correct? Alright, so we will put it here. So D here will be 56 by some time. We don't know how much is the time now. So D is what? Value of X 36 plus 4. That is equal to 40, which is equal to 56 by time. Distance by time. Okay. So as it is, I can say, I can rewrite this as time is equal to 56 by 40. Both the figures, they go by 8. 8 sevens are 56, 8 fives are 40. Okay. So this becomes 1.2 remains, no? So 1.4 hours. But then everywhere the answer is given to us in minutes. So let us convert this 0.4 hours is nothing but it is equal to 0.4 into 60 minutes. That is 24 minutes. So answer here should be 1 hour and 24 minutes. Choice D. Yes, you got this. All right. So mixtures and allegations, let's have a look at that because you've already done time and distance. No. You've done selling price, cost price, profit and loss. Okay. So you remember one formula here. Selling price is equal to 1 plus profit percent or 1 minus loss percent times CP. सर वाई 56 क्या कर रहे हो दोस्त ये दिख रहा है yeah it is given in the question when the boat is rowing in a river then to row 56 kilometers so the distance that the boat needs to row is 56 kilometers Got it? 56 now. Pooja, confirm. Confirm, Pooja. Hurry up. All right. So this formula you know already. So wherever required, you have to find out the values. Mostly you'll have to find out cost price. Now mixtures and allegations. Allegation method is actually called the cross rule. See how. In what ratio should a quality of rice costing rupees 7.2 per kg be mixed with a rice of another quality costing rupees 9.4 per kgs, so that the cost of the mixture becomes rupees 8.5 per kg? So how much quantity of rice costing 7 rupees 20 paisa be mixed with another variety of rice costing 9 rupees 20 paisa, 9 rupees 40 paisa? So after mixing them, you will get an average price, right? Which will be obviously between the two prices. Now the price of the mixture will be between 7.2 and 9.4, and it is given here as 8.5. The ratio in which these two varieties of rice are to be mixed, that is what we have to find out. So this is how you do it. 7.2, write this value, write this value also. Okay, and in between a little low, you write the value of the mixture. Okay, now this is how a cross rule is applied. So when you're coming from the left to the right bottom, you will subtract lesser value from the higher value minus lower value. When you are moving from top right to the bottom left, once again, higher value minus lower value. That's it, over. Okay, so it is 0.9 here. Okay, and it is 1.3 here. So the ratio has to be 9:13. It is very easy. It becomes very easy with this. Okay. Now look at this. Read it carefully. How much quantity of potatoes in kg costing rupees 10 per kg? So 10. Be mixed with 120 kg of another type of potato costing rupees 2.85 per kg. इतनी धांधली भैया. So 2.85 rupees per kg. This is already 120 kg. Baba re baba. So that, read carefully, on selling the mixture at 4 rupees 80 paisa, that is, selling price of the mixture is given to you as 4 rupees 80 paisa. A profit of 20% can be made. Remember, at the beginning of this chapter also I have given you this formula. All right, 1 plus minus profit percent loss percent into CP. You had learned this formula today morning itself in profit and loss. So selling price is 4.8 is equal to 1 plus profit is given, no? 0.2 times CP. Find out the cost price, no? Okay. Here costing, these are cost price of two variety of whatever potatoes, no? If you mix them, then in that case you should be able to find out the average cost of the mixture. So this becomes 4.8 by 1.2 12 fours are 48. Right? So that is equal to 4. This is the CP. So CP is now known as 4. So play your game. CP you have to find out. No? So this is 10 minus 4. This is 4 minus 2.85. So this becomes 1.15 and this becomes 6. So this becomes 115. This becomes 600. Multiplying both the sides with 100 so that I can remove this decimal. Okay, both the figures go by 5. So 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, and this is 120. So the ratio is 23 is to 120. Now you already know that this is how much? 120 kgs. So this should be how much? 23 kgs. That is it. Simple, simple little star. Do you understand? Why 4 minus 285 is done? 4 minus 2.85, you mean to say, right? Because these are the prices, no? That is a cross rule that I am telling you. Proceed diagonally, higher value minus lower value. Proceed diagonally, higher value minus lower value. Ashish, 1.15 and 6 were given. Both sides I am multiplying with 100 so that after decimal, there are two places, no? What here? I have to explain this also. So it is 115 into 600 and 600. So this is 4 minus 2.85, I got 1.15. 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, Ashish. Come on, now this you should solve on your own because I have solved a similar question. I'll once again write the formula. Selling price is equal to 1 plus profit percent. Why? Because here he is giving profit, so why should I write for loss? Find out the CP first. Selling price is given 22.50. Profit is also given. So 1.25. Alright, so obviously this decimal cancels because after decimal you have only 2 digits. So this becomes 2250 by 125. So 2250, if you divide by 125, don't reduce it. No need to reduce. No. So ones are 125, remaining is 1000. So 8 is 1000. So cost price here is equal to 18. Now use cross rule. How much quantity of sugar in kg costing rupees 20 per kg being mixed with 20 kg of sugar costing rupees 15. Rupees 15. How much is this? Quantity is given as 20 kgs. So how much is the price of the mixture? Cost price 18. That's it. Use cross rule diagonally. And while using cross rule, what do we do? Higher number minus lower number, you get 3 here. Higher number minus lower number, you get 2 here. So 3 is to 2 will clearly means 30 is to 20. 20 kg here. So 30 kg here. After I have divided both by 5 so that I can reduce them. So 5 twos are 10. When I was doing it, where were you? That is a problem, no? You look here and there. So 5 twos are 10, remaining 15. 5 threes are 15. 5 ones are 5. 6 minus 5, 1. So 10. 5 twos are 10. Alright, I've just divided both the figures by 5 with 5. I've reduced it. Which part not clear, Yoginder? From where did 18 come? Very true. Can you look at the complete screen and search for 18? From where did 18 come? You make an effort first of all. I'll give you 30 seconds. Look at the complete screen. Find out where 18 is written. And then see from where it is coming. Follow the route. You're going to become an officer. Huh? You're supposed to be brainy. So find out. Come on. Where did this 18 come from? Tell me. Got it now? So what did we do? We employed this formula. Selling price is 1 plus profit percent into CP. Selling price is given here. Profit percent is also given here. So I substituted this value here, this value here. All right, so 22.50 by 1.25, because 25% profit means selling price is 1.25 times cost price, as I have taught you today morning. First chapter we have done after 12 o'clock. Okay, so 2250 by 125. So here I have divided 2250 by 125. So 18 came. Welcome, Yugender. All right, now listen to me. Let us say that there is a vessel which is full of pure milk. 100 liters is the pure milk. Okay. So here we have 100 liters of pure milk. Now a person comes, what he does is he takes out 10 liters of pure milk and replaces it with 10 liters of water. See, pure milk right now, initially it is 100 liters. Water is not there. But this person comes, he takes out 10 liters of pure milk. So minus 10 and adds 10 liters of water. So now, how much pure milk is left in the vessel? 90 liters. And how much is water? 10 liters. Correct or not? Now, once again, he is repeating the same process. But now, in the vessel, pure milk is not there. 90 liters of milk and 10 liters of water is there. So 90 liters of milk and 10 liters of water means what is the ratio? 9 is to 1. So that means now if he takes out 10 liters of the mixture, now if he takes out, the man takes out 10 liters of the mixture from the vessel, this 10 liter will comprise of 9 liters of milk and 1 liter of water. Yes or no? Okay. And then he adds 10 liters of water. So 90 minus 9, 81 liters of milk is still there in the vessel. And 10 minus 1 is 9 plus 10 is 19 liters of water is there in the vessel. Okay. So now to find out how much is the amount of pure milk in the vessel after these two actions being taken by the man, the amount of pure milk is 81 liters. Correct? But then this is a lengthy process. This is a lengthy process. So instead, what we will do is we shall write it as x into 1 minus y by x raised to n. Now, what is this? What is x? What is y? What is n? Let's have a look. The amount of liquid in a vessel is x units. Example that I'm using here, for that 100 liters was x units. Okay. If y units, that is 10 liters, this example, as per this example that I have taken on the right hand side, y is 10 liters. If 10 liters of that liquid is taken out and then is replaced with same amount of water, 10 liters of water, and then y units of the mixture is removed and replaced by same amount of water, as happened here. And this process is repeated n times. So what is n? The number of times the process is repeated. The number of times the process is repeated. Then the amount of remaining, liquid remaining in the vessel will be equal to x into 1 minus y by x raised to n. Chalo, values डालो. 100, 1 minus y means at the time how much milk he takes out or mixture he takes out, and the same amount that he is replacing with water. By 100. All right. By this process is carried out twice. So it is 100. Now this cancels here. So it is 1 by 10. 1 minus 1 by 10 is nothing but it is 9 by 10. Whole square means I'll write it 2 times. So this cancels. 81 is what I get. See, this is much more faster and accurate. There is no chance of committing an error here. So let us solve this question. Try to solve it yourself, please. I'm giving you a poll. I'm giving you some time. Hey, you have to try. Ultimately, you have to solve questions. Don't be lethargic. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. %. All right. Formula you know, right? X into 1 minus y by x raised to m. A milkman takes out 11 kg, so this is y, and replaces it with the same amount of water. So y की value is given to you. He repeats this process 2 more times after repeating the first time, sorry, after carrying out the process first time, 2 more times, means n is equal to 3. Okay. If initially 110 kg of pure milk is there, that is the value of x is given. All the values are given to you. Okay. So how much quantity of milk will be left? 110. 1 minus 11 by 110 raised to 3. Job done. So it should be 110, 11, and this should be 1 by 10. So once again it is 9 by 10 into 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. Clear? So these two cut. So it is equal to 11 into 729 by 100. So see, 729 into 11 is same as 729. All right. Okay, you multiply. That is better here. Otherwise, not understood and all those things will start coming in. 729 into 11. 11 nines are 99. 9 remains. 11 twos are 22 plus 9, 31. 3 remains. 11 sevens are 77 plus 3, 80. 8019. So this is 8019 by 100. So it is 80.19 kg. Choice C here should be. Why did we take 11 as Y? Radhika, what is given here? A milkman takes out 11 kg of pure milk. So whatever he takes out of the vessel, that much amount is Y. This is the same thing we had studied here also. No? If Y units of that liquid is taken out, and see, a milkman takes out 11 kg. So whatever he's taking out is Y. And he's replacing with water of same quantity. Got it? Rajesh, in the question, the kg needs to be changed as liter as it's a liquid. It doesn't matter. Chalna do. All right. ठीक है जी. So that is mixtures and allegations for you. Okay. Now I have certain things for you. Actually, wanted to talk a little bit about mensuration part. So you have mensuration में you have 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional figures. Okay, so 2D, they are called 2D, 3D. Which are the 2 dimensions? Length and width. Three dimensionals, well, length, breadth, and height. Okay. So 2-dimensional, you have figures like, let us say, first is triangle. Correct? Now, there are various types of triangles, as you know. One is equilateral triangle, the other is isosceles triangle. Another one is scalene triangle, and what you see very often in directions, is a right angled triangle. So what is an equilateral triangle? All 3 angles and all 3 sides are equal. Isosceles triangle, only two sides are equal. Okay. Scalene triangle, all three sides are unequal. Right angle triangle has a perpendicular, has a base, a hypotenuse. Then to find out hypotenuse, it is perpendicular square plus base square whole under root. Now let us say if the sides here are A, then the perimeter is 3A. If these two sides are A and this is B, then the perimeter is 2A plus B. Alright, if this is A, this is B and this is C, then the perimeter is A plus B plus C. Now it is important for you to know that in a triangle, there are two rules which are there. First, sum of the angles is always equal to 180 degrees. Okay. And sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. So if I have 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter की जगह 5 centimeter ऐसे कर देता हूँ and 1 centimeter. Can I form a triangle with these three dimensions, 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 1 centimeter? No. A triangle cannot be formed with these dimensions or measures. Why? Because 3 plus 5. Wait a minute. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 1 is less than 5. Whereas sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. But 3 plus 1 is 4, which is less than 5. Okay. Can I have it with the 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter? Yes. Why? 3 plus 4 is greater than 5. 4 plus 5 is greater than 3. 5 plus 3 is greater than 4. Yes, Asif, it can. That will be good. If you are teaching maths to someone, 8th, 9th, 10th, that will be lovely. Isosceles triangle, two angles are equal and obviously opposite sides are also equal. Okay, so these are the properties which I have told you for a triangle. Then you have something called quadrilaterals. What are quadrilaterals? Four-sided closed figures. All right. So the first one that you get here is parallelogram. And in the list of parallelograms, tops square, rectangle, okay, rhombus. So also quadrilaterals like trapezium. Okay. And third one, irregular. Quadrilateral. So I hope this is very clear. No, polygon could be hexagon also, octagon also. No, they are not quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals has four sides only. Now the third three-dimensional figure here is a circle. The longest chord in a circle is the diameter. Okay, and half of diameter is called radius. That you know. So for circle area also you know, no? Pi r square and circumference. See, circumference and what do you call perimeter are same. Perimeter is for those diagrams or figures which have lines. Circumference for those which have arc. 2 pi r, correct. So from here we know that diameter is twice of radius. Okay. Then see the length of this we have to find out. Now this is called an arc. What is an arc? Arc is let us say a curved line on the circumference of a circle, and it is at theta degree angle. Okay, so the length of the arc is theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r. Why 2 pi r? It is made on the circumference, so that is 2 pi r. Okay. Whereas, if you have another circle here, okay, on which this is an arc A and B, this is a center O. Now, if we join these, okay, this is called a sector. It's like a piece of pizza, a portion of pizza, and again it is at theta. So area of the sector is nothing but theta by 360. Area you have to find out, so area of circle can be used here. Okay. Now these are for plane objects, actually. Now let me just talk about here. Oh, अच्छा ज़्यादा खुल गई क्या? Oh my god, बहुत ज़्यादा खुल गई है तो. हाँ. हाँ. Let's talk about 3D, three-dimensional. All right. The first one in three-dimensional is cube. Then you have a cuboid. Then we have a cylinder. Cone or right circular cone. Sphere. And hemisphere. See, cube is a six-sided figure. Actually, must have done this in reasoning also. This is how it looks. Each face is a square, okay, and all the edges or sides are equal. This is A, 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 everywhere. Okay. Now I want you to know that volume is nothing but it is equal to area into height. Volume is nothing but area into height. Clear? So now if you see, when we talked about these objects here, square, if we talk about area of a square, it is A square. All right. Perimeter is 6A square. Okay. The diagonal is A root 2. Okay. Just compare with the same. The volume, if you compare it with a square, square has A square as the area. All right. Into the third dimension height. So it becomes A cube. Okay. LSA stands for lateral surface area. That is, let us say, surface area of 4 walls. You have 4 walls around you. Okay. So surface area of each wall is length into height, breadth into height, breadth into height. Okay. So it is 2HL plus B. Okay. That is for a cuboid. For this, it should be 4A square. Okay. And total surface area will be surface area of roof and ground also, the floor, which is A square. So it should be 6A square. Diagonal for a square is A root 2 because it is 2 dimension. Cube is 3 dimension. So it is A root 3. Get this? Okay. So general things only are asked. Nothing much. Cuboid. Now cuboid is like this. Let us say it is made of a rectangle. This is length, this is breadth, and this is height. So volume, see, area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Correct? Perimeter will be 2 times L plus B. And diagonal is L square plus B square. L square plus B square. So keeping that in mind, volume is area of rectangle into height. So area of rectangle is length into breadth into height. Acha, perimeter I forgot, is it? Perimeter is 4a, sum of four sides. Thank you. Lateral surface area, again walls, so 2h L plus B. Okay, diagonal is under root L square plus B square plus H square. And total surface area is 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, cylinder is made from a circle. See, let us say if there is a circle lying down. Okay, so if you raise it through height h, it will become a cylinder. Okay, so this is what a cylinder is. This is height h, radius. So volume is the circumference of circle is pulled up through a height of h. Okay. Sorry, a second. So that is curved surface area. Sorry, area of a circle, that is pi r square, pulled through height h. Okay. So lateral surface area is surface area of the walls. Okay, so that is 2 pi RH. Total surface area will be 2 pi RH plus surface area, areas of top and bottom. Okay, that is 2 pi r square, pi r square, pi r square. So it shall become 2 pi r h plus r. Okay, cone is just you know you can say this is h height and this is L slant height. Volume is 1/3 the volume of a cylinder. 1 by 3 pi r square h. Lateral surface area is pi r L. Okay. Total surface area is pi r L plus pi r square, because bottom there is a circle, but at top there is just a point. So it is pi r L plus pi r square. So it is pi r L plus r. And what is L? L is lateral height or slant height. You can say lateral height or slant height. Okay. And L can be found out using h square plus r square under root, that is Pythagoras theorem. Sphere is a ball or a globe. Okay. So its volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Lateral surface area it does not have. That is curved surface area. Total surface area is 4 pi r square. Hemisphere is half ball. Okay. So volume is also half. 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of sphere. Half of that, 2 by 3 pi r cube. It has a curved surface area of 2 pi r square and total surface area of 3 pi r square. That's it. Get it? Okay. So this anyhow, I'm going to teach you tomorrow. In FAIR, you will get all the formulas, the tables and everything, whichever is there. Okay. But majorly, you people will have to remember one thing, and that is, it is all game of formula. There's nothing much in it that you have to do. Okay. So if you remember the formulas, you are through. So it is important that you remember the formulas. Please know this. Okay. Okay. We have already exhausted our material for today. So we will start afresh tomorrow. Is that all right? Should I teach you some squares? How to find out squares? Will that be all right? You know 108 square, right? I taught you for 108 square. Did I teach you for 108 square? I taught you 108 square. Hemlata says no. No, it is not 11,600. Wrong. Tell me how much is 108 square? 108 square. Did I teach you the method? Yes or no? Sakti is also saying no. Parimala, did I teach the method? Parimala, Parimala, you tell me. Ashish, you tell me. Did I teach the method? Okay, just a quick revision. 108 square means minus 100. Okay, you get 8. So 108 plus 8, this difference. 108 plus 8, 116. 8 square is 64. 109 square. Minus 100, you have 9 as the difference. No? So 109 plus 9. Okay. 118 followed by 9 square. 81. Well, I would love to, Shivani. But it is not in my hands. You have to request the authorities to do that. It is my job to teach, so I teach anywhere. It is my passion. Anyhow. Did I tell you for 96 square? 96 square. Yes, Himanshu, I'll solve that. First, you look at this. 96 square. Minus 100, again, is not 4, it is minus 4, my dear. So 96 minus 4, 92 minus 4 square. Positive number or negative number? Its square is always positive. So 92, 16. What, Ragini? You were asking something? Tell me, sir. I am searching for your chat. You tell me, no? You ask me again if at all you want to ask something. Tell me, sir, is what? In what context? Hurry up. We don't have that much of time. All right, tell me for 93 square. Bolo beta, shabash. No, don't do for 200. Leave it. No, not all 1, 2, this thing. It is only valid for numbers which are near to 100. If you want to find out the squares. More than 100 and less than 100. More than 100, I have taught you here. Less than 100, I am teaching you here. Okay, so just subtract 100. See what is the difference. Minus 7. 93 minus 7. Okay. So it is 86 and then minus 7 square is 49. Got this? Easy, no? Acha, Himanshu was asking me 112 square. Alright, now listen to me, guys. 112 minus 100 is 12. So what do you have? 112 plus 12. What do you get? 124. 12 square. How much is 12 square? 144. This one will be carried over. So it becomes 125.44. No, Ananya, it cannot be 6-digit number, no? 124144. 124 and 1 you combine. So 12544. Yes, very good. You corrected yourself. All right, tell me 111 square. Minus 100 if you take, it is 111 plus 11. How much do you get? 122. 11 square is how much? 11 square, 121, right? So these two combined. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Tell me for 1111 square. 11,111 square. 1 square. 1 square. Perfect. Did I teach you this? All right. So I have taught you this, so I'm just removing it. Why do waste time? I'll give you something better. Okay, tell me 56 square. 56 square. Up tak 56 square. Now this is near to 50. And 50 square is 2500. So listen to me carefully. Now 56 minus 50 gives you 6. But 6 you will add to 25. See, 100 square is 10,000. So that is why I was adding to or subtracting from the first three digits, 100. But 50 square is 25. So addition or subtraction of this difference will happen to 25. So 25 plus 6, 31. 6 square is 36. Ragiri, you find out, no? 99 square. 99 minus 100 is minus 1. Huh? So 99 minus 1, 98. 1 square. Okay, tell me for 54 square. Hurry up. Tell me for 54 square. Fast. Perfect. 2916. All right, so 54 square. Here is 54 minus 50. So you get a 4. Correct? So 25 plus 4. You have 29. And 4 square. You get a 16. Clear? If it is less than 50, let us say 46 square. Once again, minus 50. So minus 4. So 46 minus 4, 42. All right, and minus 4 square, 16. 42, 16. So tell me for 44 square. Come on. Tell me for 44 square. Tell me for 44 square. Come on. 44 minus 50 is minus 6. So 25. Sorry. My fault here. My fault. Sorry, beta. इधर देखो 29. 25 minus 4 actually you need to do. So 21 minus 4 square is 16. So 25 minus 16, 9. 19 minus 6 square. Correct? Yes. All right. So let us terminate here. Okay. We've had a long day. So tomorrow you have a class from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Then 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. shall be your lunch break. Okay. Then 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. shall be my last session. So these are the session timings. 4.5 hours for tomorrow, and after 3:30 you will again have a break of half an hour, and then it will be taken over by internal security or some other subject. All right. So thank you so much. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy yourself. I'm leaving you a bit early, so make the most out of this time. All right. Do well. Have a nice day. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy yourself. Okay. And do revise the class. That's also important. So this is Kapil Datta signing off. Wishing you all the best and blessing you always.